niko kose yarakanire buna niko omweri oye ababwatani gose kiombe kyobokoreri kia kimanyikanite buna Public Nyamira County Public Service Board kiraji gocha gukora emiremo na yango bwatakana amo na bane abanyatuka bagochorwa gwikaransa ase kiombe kigose board yeyo gocha koringorigwa ritkuria lero ne bunge ye county yeyo murikito fatika digesemba nigaikara sayo no gotwale ndio roboti rokobwatia
services for free because it's money we have seen it over 30 years. Will you accept?
Yes, if the request is made.
Omweri oye nigo amarita y'abantu batano abo omugavana bwe kaunti ya Nyamira Omoske Amos Nyaribo aenanete abo baraje wisaranza na kubachora board ya public service nigo aringoriwa n'aba MCA ba Nyamira abwase oyomo ataikirana ase egikaro ekyo yokuringorigwa
balia bacha lero ase committee ya appointment Mutangani igarenge Edwin Makori oyo chikawa uno mu chairman wa committee yo kabere igarenge Victorina Kemunto oyo tenenerete abakoli emiremo yani ako agocha kubensa ama abakoli emiremo yo gatatu igarenge Barnabas Ongondo oyo nero lenge kwa niaba y'abanyabiasara oyo kane igarenge Duke Gichana oyo romo wakili narororo nero rangire tugura kintajeti igatome message ngatari gocha igakoro kwa Nyakerario Kombo
Korengana n'umukonyi bw'omonogeri bw'ebunge eyo Omoske James Matinga nigo atebire ebaraje koreka oroboti rworaje gwikiwa ase bunge ye county ya Nyamira eryo bagikoya itia amarieta ayo
abantu bachorwa n'umugavana gocha ikorunge epanel yo gochikolire lya abantu bachikoba ase county of Nyamira bagorokunga County Public Service Board bali bagotenera na kolika abakoli emiremo igabona ngo chikolika tole report itoja korete ya assembly on Monday agera torora bali bakoli buya tubatangase nyabakoli bonse tubatangase agera bache bakonye omugavana asoko kolegas yoko ligere lya bakoli emiremo na kobeka bakoli emirimo bunetakire abuna bwa abantu bakole gazi yokolika emirimo abantu bantu mate bakanga naba MCA bakolika emirimo
ase egekareke yokubaringoria abaigabane nigo omowakiri Duke Omwenga abori wari borio buna inchiraki barache komochora oyorache gotenenera ekerengo kimeshara eyabakoli emirimo bagwakanwa engana omowaki yoyoiga airaneria ase inchira ejeiga.
Another issue which has even been reflected upon in Nyamira. One of the major issues again was particularly with the previous boards. We have had 2 previous boards. There was also no structure for even promotion. If you find someone is employed as a cashier, is senior, is promoted even without the board create or the cabinet creating positions, bringing that to the assembly for approval. So you will find someone who's employed as a cleaner or as a clerk. After a short while, someone is promoted to a senior position and all that. So those are some of the factors which contributed to excessive wage bill.
Hingo ripotera Gatembe kuraiga samaga cha manene ye bunge ye kaunti ya Nyamira ya kutoka ime ye ward ya Township West Mugirango Nche Fatigad Gisemba.